teaching you a tutorial on how to fix the Joycon drift, because this has been happening to many people. I want to solve your problems by doing this. So as you can see, the controller doesn't really work that fine. You see how it's moving to the edge right there? But I'm going to teach you how to fix that with these two simple tricks. You're going to want to use 70% alcohol, and you're going to want to use one of these things. Alright. So what you want to do, you want to open this. Then what you'll do, pour it in a second. You effectively want to dip this so then you can soak in it a little bit. Then it'll be covered in alcohol. What you want to do is take out the controller. You'll want to get every space that is in between them. This helps because it keeps the dust out of the sensor from messing up. You want to get it like really in there, especially underneath the work and clean this up as well because it might be dirty. And then from there, you'll just have to wait for a couple minutes. You might want to press on it for a while. Then after that, you want to push OK. Push the collaborating controller. Then move it around for a while. I'm trying to get the alcohol so then it will keep the sensor from not messing up. Then like usually after a while it'll clear up. You see, it's not really working at first because the alcohol isn't fully inside of it. So I'm gonna come back, and after it gets soaked, then you'll want to test it. It's the same controller here. You'll notice that it's gonna start working more efficient now. Nothing's going wrong with it because it took out all the dust that was inside the sensor. This is a really good thing to do when your controllers get stuck because it can mess up with your game and everything else. So I just wanted to hit this up because many people have problems when the Joy-Cons, like, they had them after many years, or many years as in one. But this is one way I should say you should do it. Because if you think about it, if you think of the other way, it's going to be more complicated. You can't just take this apart and fix it from the inside. It'll be more easier just to use these two steps to get everything done. Mix everything out. And that's how you fix a Joy-Con from drifting.